Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and delete text in a PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you can do is go to the main adobe.com website right here /acrobat, open up the product section and get started with downloading the program. So once you've downloaded and opened it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started, and you're going to see the recommended tools for you option. This is going to enable you to take a look at this edit PDF file option. It's going to enable you to modify or add text. So what we can do is go ahead and click right here, but as you can see, you're going to need an Acrobat Pro subscription to be able to edit your PDF files. So either the free trial or the Acrobat Pro, but you cannot use it with the free version. So once you've gotten that ready, now we can go ahead and follow the steps right here on the official Adobe website. We have this article, how to erase words from a PDF document. So what I suggest for you to do is go to this article right here on the official website and follow step by step on how to open up the file, how to click the edit button, and how to erase entire text blocks by clicking delete. All of that is going to be doable right here from the edit page, but first keep in mind that you're going to need the Pro subscription and that this cannot go ahead and be done with a free version of the program. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.